हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन मास्टर। स्वागत है आपका अपना यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन मास्टर में। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम इम्पॉर्टेंट आंसर कीज ऑफ साइंस विच इज हेल्ड इन द फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जामिनेशंस. Now let's start section A. Question number 1. A student while burning a magnesium ribbon in air collected the products in wet watch glass. Okay, the new product obtained was, its answer is C. इसका आंसर C हो जाएगा, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ओके. Now, question number 2. Consider the following chemical equation. 2NaOH plus H2SO4. This gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. See, 3 number questions. Select the correct matching the following. Okay, table in connection with the given chemical reactions. CuSO4 plus Fe. This gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Its correct answer is D number. Okay. Now, 4 number question. Consider the following process. Okay, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका D number. Now question number 5. A solution gives a yellowish orange color when a few drop of universal indicator are added to it. This solution is of, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा A number, lemon juice. 6 number questions. Concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid is diluted by adding drop by drop. Its answer is Ac2 water with a constant stirring. Okay. Now 7 number. Absence of tartaric acid in baking powder makes the taste of the cake bitter due to the presence of, its answer is B number, आपका sodium carbonate. Okay, Na2CO3. Now question number 8. The pH of acid rain is approximately what is, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा A number 5.6. Now 9 number questions. Salt A commonly used in food products is a reactant to produce salt B. Okay, used in the kitchens for making tasty crispy pakoras. Salt B on heating converts into another salt C, which is used in the manufacturing of glass. A. Salt A, B and C respectively are, its answer is its answer is D number. NaCl sodium chloride, NaCO3 and what is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Now 10 numbers. In the following diagram, what would happen if some amount of sodium hydroxide is taken in place of sulfuric acid and the test tube is heated? Its answer is C number. The amount of hydrogen gas evolved is much less. 11 number. In human alimentary canal, the specific enzymes or juice secreted in locations first, second and third are, its answer is B. Amylase, bile and trypsin. Now question number 12. The sequence of anaerobic respiration in our muscle cells during heavy exercises, its answer is A number, glucose. In the presence of cytoplasm, it gives pyruvate and then muscle cells. Okay, then it gives lactic acid plus ka energy. Okay. Now 30 numbers. The separation of right side and the left side of human heart is useful to, answer is keep oxygenated blood from mixing with deoxygenated blood. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for latest update. Thank you. Now 40 number. In a spring, sugar stored in root or a stem tissue of plant is transported to the buds for, its answer is A, the energy needs of the buds to grow. Now 15 number. The energy released during cellular respiration is used to synthesis, what is, its answer is C, ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Now 16 number. Upward movement of water in tall trees is due to, its answer is D number, transpiration. Now 17 number. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have a focal length of -15 cm, then it may be concluded that A number इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, both are concave. Okay. Now 18 numbers. An optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of the image is 1/2 that of the object, the optical device is, its answer is B, convex mirror. Now 19 number. A student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the device A is, answer C, convex lens. Now 20 number. When light is incident on a glass slab, the incident ray, refracted ray and the emergent ray are in three media A, B and C. If N1, N2 and N3 are the refractive indices of A, B and C respectively, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, which of the following is true? Its answer is D. N1 is equal to N3 is less than N2. Okay. One, the image of a candle flame formed by a lens is obtained on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. According to new Cartesian sign conventions, if the image is 3 times the size of the flame, then the lens is, its answer is C number, convex and magnification is -3. Now 22, the power of combination of two lenses in contact is plus 1.0 d diopter if the focal length of one of the lenses of the combination is plus 20.0 centimeter, the focal length of the other lens would be, its answer is C, minus 25.0 centimeter. Number 23. When a ray of light passes through a glass prism, it suffers two refractions. During these refractions, the ray bends. Its answer is B number, towards the base in both cases. Now 24. To an astronaut, the sky on the moon appears dark because its answer is B number. There is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon. Now section B, question number 25. When lead nitrate powder is heated in a boiling tube, we observe, its answer is A, brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. 26. An aqueous solution of a salt shows an orange red color when a drop of universal indicator is added to it. This salt is made up of, its answer is C, a strong acid and a weak base. 27. 3 test tubes A, B, C contains distilled water, an acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. When red litmus solution is used for testing these solutions, the absorbed color changes respectively will be, its answer is A, becomes light red, B becomes dark red and C becomes blue. 28. Given below is the reaction showing chloralkali process. 2 NaCl, that is aqueous, plus 2 H2O, that is liquid. This gives 2 NaOH aqueous plus chlorine gas and plus ka H2 hydrogen gas. Its answer is B number, near the cathodes, at the anode, at the cathode. Now question number 29. In the activity shown in the diagram, if the climate is humid, the role of calcium chloride taken in the guard tube is 2. Its answer is C, dry the gas. Now 30 number questions. Which of the following chemicals is used in soda acid fire extinguisher? Its answer is C, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO3. What is NaHCO3? sodium bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. And reasons. 30 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका C. Okay, now 32 नंबर, इट्स आंसर इज 32 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका C. नाउ 33, इट्स आंसर इज D एंड 34, इट्स आंसर इज B. ओके, नाउ 35, मैच द metals, column 1 with its reactions with oxygen, column 2. Its answer is A number. Okay, now 36, here is a passage, we read it carefully and then try to answer it. Its correct answer is A number, A and C. Now 37, the function not performed by villi is, its answer is D, ingestion of food. Question number 38, in the given diagram A, B, C and D respectively are D number. Okay, now 39, the thin walled blood vessels are called, its answer is B, capillaries. 40 numbers, the function of the lining of mucus in the nasal passages of human beings is to, its answer is C. Okay, filter the air that we breathe in. Now 41, in the following flow chart showing autotrophic nutrition in green plants A and B respectively are, so its answer is C number, energy and starch. Okay, question number 42, its answer is B number, concave between O and Y. Now question number 43, the image of an object placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm is one of the same size of the object. The distance between the object and its image is D number, answer 0. Now 44, its answer is C, P is equal to plus 37.5 cm, H is equal to minus 4.5 cm. 45, the relation R equal to 2F is valid. Its answer is D for both concave and convex mirrors. Now 46, the length of a power of plus 4.0 diopter, its answer is C, a convex lens of focal length 0.25 meters. Now 47, an object is placed in front of concave lens. For all positions of the object, the image formed is always, answer B, virtual, diminished and erect. 48, the twinkling of a star is due to, its answer is D, atmospheric refraction. Now section C, Question number 49. The chemical name of common salt is, its answer is D, sodium chloride NaCl. What's its formula is NaCl, calcium chloride. Now 50 number, common salt is, its answer is C number, an ionic compound formed by the transfer of electron. 51, common salt is not a raw material. 4, its answer is B, plaster of Paris. Its chemical formula is CaSO4 into half H2, okay, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now 52, its answer is A number, 10. Now 53 numbers, the function of KOH, potassium hydroxide, taken in the test tube is absorbed. Its answer is B, released CO2, carbon dioxide. Now 54, on the basis of this activity we may conclude that the essential factor for photosynthesis is, its answer is A, carbon dioxide. Okay. Now 55, the event does not occur in photosynthesis is, its answer is C, oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. Now 56, iodine solution gives a blue black color with, its answer is A, starch. Now case 3 में 57 numbers, the location of the sun when Chris observed a rainbow was, its answer is A, behind him. 58, the phenomena of light involved in the formation of a rainbow are, its answer is B, diffraction, dispersion and internal reflection. Okay. Now 59, in the formation of a rainbow the role of water droplets present in the water fountains is to act as, its answer is D, prism. Prism के जैसा behave करता है. Okay. Now 60 number, while entering a water droplet the sunlight gets, its answer is C, refracted and dispersed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.